In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage storage in Google Drive fast and easy. Google Drive is a fantastic tool for storing files, but if you're nearing your storage limit, it's crucial to know how to handle your space efficiently. Let's get started. First things first, head over to Google Drive and sign in with your Google account. If you're not already signed in, go to the Google Drive website and enter your login credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll be greeted by your main Drive page where all of your files and folders await. Now, directing our attention to the left-hand side of the screen, you'll notice a tab labeled Storage. Click on this tab, which will take you to a page displaying a breakdown of files and how much space each one occupies. This is a useful overview that helps pinpoint where your storage is being used. Look through this section to identify large files you no longer need. With your storage consumption laid out in front of you, it's time to free up some space. Take a look at the file list and decide which files can be removed. Select the specific file you'd like to delete by clicking on it. Make sure to assess the necessity of each file since deletion is permanent unless backed up elsewhere. Once you've made your selection, give it a double tap on your mouse or trackpad, which will bring up a more detailed view and options for that file. Upon accessing the file details, you'll see an option on the top bar that says Move to Trash. This is your go-to option for removing files. Click on Move to Trash, which essentially tells Google Drive you no longer need this file and that it's ready to be deleted. Rest assured, this action isn't permanent immediately. These files will remain in the trash for 30 days, giving you a grace period to retrieve them if you have a change of heart. After you've sent unwanted files to the trash, you'll notice your available storage gradually increasing. Monitor this space regularly, especially if you frequently upload large files, to ensure you always have enough room for new content. And there we have it. You now know how to efficiently manage your Google Drive storage. Keeping your files organized and your storage under control will make your Google Drive experience smoother and more efficient. Thank you for watching, and I hope you're now more